Supabase versus Prisma. Which database tool is better? Choosing the right database tool can completely change how you build and manage your applications without getting stuck in complex backend setups. We'll look at both Supabase and Prisma briefly. Supabase and Prisma are popular tools for working with databases, but they serve different purposes. Supabase is a backend as a service platform with a built-in database and real-time features, while Prisma is a database toolkit focused on type-safe database access and ORM capabilities. Supabase is an open-source backend platform that provides a complete backend solution, including a hosted PostgreSQL database, authentication, storage, and real-time APIs. It works by offering a ready-to-use backend infrastructure so developers can focus on building front-end features without managing servers. Supabase automatically generates APIs over your database, enabling instant CRUD operations and live updates through its real-time engine. Its strengths lie in its simplicity, speed of setup, and integrated services like authentication and storage, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and small to medium projects. However, Supabase is opinionated around PostgreSQL and may limit flexibility for complex database customizations or multi-database setups. It's best suited for developers who want an all-in-one backend platform with minimal configuration and real-time capabilities out of the box. Prisma is a modern database toolkit and ORM that focuses on providing type-safe database access for Node.js and TypeScript applications. It works by generating a tailored query builder based on your database schema, allowing developers to write database queries with full type safety and auto-completion. Prisma supports multiple databases including PostgreSQL, MySQL, and SQLite, offering flexibility across projects. Its strengths include powerful schema modeling, seamless migrations, and integration with modern development workflows. Prisma does not provide hosting or backend services, so it requires pairing with your own database and backend setup. This makes Prisma ideal for developers who want fine-grained control over database queries and schema design while maintaining type safety and developer experience. It's particularly suited for complex applications needing custom backend logic and scalable database interactions. Supabase and Prisma cater to different needs. Supabase provides a full backend platform with hosted PostgreSQL, real-time data, and built-in authentication, perfect for developers seeking a quick, managed backend. Prisma, on the other hand, is a flexible ORM and query builder that works with your own database setup, ideal for those wanting precise control and type safety in database operations. If you need rapid deployment with minimal backend setup, Supabase excels. But if your project demands complex queries, multiple databases, or custom backend logic, Prisma offers more flexibility. The trade-off is between convenience and control. Supabase simplifies backend management at the cost of database flexibility, while Prisma requires more setup but unlocks advanced database handling and integration. Choose Supabase if you want an all-in-one backend with real-time features and hosted services, perfect for fast development and smaller projects. Opt for Prisma if you prefer full control over your database schema, type-safe queries, and flexibility across multiple databases. It's the best choice for complex applications where backend customization and developer experience are priorities. Both tools excel in their domains depending on your project needs.